3 cheeses for machining, and no, we're not kidding. We're going to start with the Munster cheese. Soft, has a skin on it. How do you even work hold it? I don't know, jam some clamps in there and yeah, good enough. Go ahead, bring in your end mill, zero off X, Y, and Z, and then run the McFly. This worked entirely too well and made an incredible mess. So we had to bring in Sweepy. He's up for whatever task you throw at him. Vacuum cheese? Yeah, done. And as you can see, this is unbelievable. It worked perfectly. Why would you ever do this? I don't know. Makes no sense and stinks. But we're on to cheddar anyway. Old crock. A little harder. Slap it down. Yeah, ramp in. Make sure you don't want to damage an end mill here. Go ahead and give it a little profile and vacuum up. Oh, the vacuum smelled terrible too. Who came up with this idea? Whoever it was an idiot. Rest machining for the details. Profile cuts. And when you use profile cuts, what do you need? Yeah, tabs. You don't want your work cheese flying off the surface. Old crock. Yeah, looking pretty good. How about parm? Here it comes. Wood parm, hold up the details. We'll face it off, and we're going to do a little 3D tiki in here. A little rough first. Then we'll come back with some finishing tool paths. 1/8 inch ball end mill. And you know what? Go ahead and max out those speeds and feeds. Yeah, no problem. 24,000, 5,000 millimeters per second, 200 inches per minute. And the details are coming in beautiful. You can make this for your next party, but the cleanup is definitely going to be hell.